Welcome to Royco Flavor Family Favorites as we
bring out the flavor with Royco.
Anytime you're Lambeth Way, any evening. Hello there, and welcome to Royco Flavor Family Favorites. Tonight we're going to be making an old favourite, toad in the hole. Now this particular recipe uses a special Royco ingredient to give that extra delicious flavour. Royco toad in the hole serves 4 people, and these are the ingredients you'll need. First, 3 large eggs. Next, 300 millilitres of milk, 45 millilitres of chopped parsley, chives and sage, 100 grams of cake flour, 450 grams of chipolata sausages. Now, to make the accompanying gravy, you will need 15 millilitres of oil, 2 onions peeled and sliced, 15 millilitres of soy sauce, 45 millilitres of mustard, 30 millilitres of corn flour, and finally, 1.5 Royco beef cubes dissolved in 500 millilitres of water. Right, well that's all the bits and pieces, so let us get this show on the road. The first thing to do is to beat together the eggs, milk and herbs, and then season that mixture to your own personal taste. Yeah. Then gradually add your flour to the mixture. Once the flour is nicely blended into the mixture, leave it to stand for about half an hour. Now in the meantime, grill or bake the chipolatas until they're a nice golden brown. Yep, those look just about right and smell rather appetizing too. We now put the sausages into a greased casserole dish and pour our prepared batter over them. The last step is to bake the mixture in an oven preheated to 220 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes or until the batter has risen and gone a lovely golden brown. All that's left to do now is to prepare the gravy. Simply heat the oil in a frying pan and then fry the onions for 10 to 15 minutes until they are a nice brown. Then add the Royco stock, the soy sauce and the mustard, and bring that mixture to the boil. Finally, thicken the gravy by mixing your corn flour to a smooth paste with a little water and adding that to the gravy. Bring the gravy to the boil, stirring frequently. Serve the toad in the hole piping hot with lots of that lovely luscious gravy and some fresh green beans and carrots. And of course fresh boiled potatoes will go very well with this dish. And don't forget, a cold beer is a wonderful accompaniment to sausages. As a starter, could I suggest a lovely hot bowl of Royco cream of tomato soup? Well, if you fancy a copy of tonight's recipe, the address to write into is Royco Flavor Family Favorites, P.O. Box 1038 Harare, or call our hotline number, Harare 753-726. Well, I hope you are going to enjoy tucking into this lot as much as I'm about to. So, until next time, from me it's happy cooking and cheers!
Thank you for joining us tonight on Royco Flavor Family Favorites.
Bring out the flavor with Royco.